Welcome to the beautiful historic neighborhood of Wythe in Hampton, Virginia. This home right behind me is my latest flip property, and it is stunning. We've poured almost $100,000 into renovating this property that was once a major blight on the community. This really is an absolutely lovely place to live. We've got the water right down the street. It is a fantastic neighborhood, so I'm glad that we were able to pick up this property and really transform it into something that I think is truly, truly beautiful. So what we're gonna do is head into the house and show you around so you can see this wonderfully renovated home. And then after that, I'm gonna tour you around the neighborhood so you can check out Wythe, see if this is a great place for you and your family to live. It's a really wonderful area. Again, we're really proud of this flip here at 220 Locust. And this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,250 square foot home. It has a full walk-up attic. Really, really special property. Big detached garage in the back. It's such a nice place. I really, really hope you love it. So do me a favor and leave a comment below if you do. All right, thanks so much. We'll see you on the other side. Now let me take you on a tour of one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of Hampton Roads, and this is Wythe. So we are down on Chesapeake Ave right now, looking over the water. One of the most scenic roads in the entire region, basically covers the edge of the bottom of the peninsula. So this beautiful historic neighborhood here in Wythe that has this waterfront element to it. You're gonna find that there are gonna be joggers, walkers, people with their kids in their strollers, riding their bikes, cyclists all up and down Chesapeake Ave all the time. This is a very active community, and you are looking at some of the premier waterfront properties in the area as well. So here in Wythe, we're looking at homes that were built, anywhere starting in the early 1900s, many of which were built around the 1930s and 40s, and then you're going to see some that are more modern, one that been completely renovated at this point. So you're going to get this big mixture of properties here, but nowhere else really has the same feel in Hampton as Wythe. And so it really is just this special neighborhood. Now you're seeing everything that's right here on the water, so you're just looking at mansion. I promise most of Wythe is not like that, but down in the water, where you can actually still get a pretty good value. These homes are probably going to sell for around $1 million, which is a lot of money, but compared to some other places, it's pretty good. So we're just coming back off of Locust Ave here. So this is the opposite side of Chesapeake Ave. So if you were to come down Locust, it's only a couple hundred yards from our property at 220 Locust, down around the corner to get on Chesapeake Ave. And this is the opposite side where you're going to start to just see some really other properties kind of similar to ours, a little bit bigger. These are still some really nice homes here. But the things I really like about the community, I mentioned, it's a very active community. I always tell people this is a front porch living kind of community, in that a lot of people spend a lot of time. They have these either side sunrooms that they'll spend time in, or they do have front porches where you'll see people a lot, and it's a really friendly community where people talk to each other and they're waving to each other as they walk by. And you don't get that everywhere in Hampton. And not everywhere in Hampton Roads for that matter. So really great, special neighborhood in that sense as well. And as you can see, you're going to find properties in here that have been unbelievably well maintained. You're going to find some really special architecture here. So a lot of the style of architecture that ended up spreading across the United States started here in the Hampton Roads area. So you're going to find that if you look at the history in some of these architectural styles, that this is where they originated from. So really great neighborhood in that sense as well. And so being down in Wythe, when I'm talking about Wythe, I'm usually talking about Kicquetan Ave, which runs parallel to Chesapeake Ave, just a couple blocks north. So looks like it's pronounced Kicquetan, but it is Kicquetan, and down to Chesapeake Ave, and then you're gonna head over from Pear, which is the Hampton, where Hampton starts, and over to LaSalle. And that's going to be what we call Wythe. And you get these little inlets, so there are other waterfront opportunities here in Wythe. And when you're in this community, you can see some of the landscaping, and you're going to see a lot of wildlife here too. So blue herons like crazy. There's going to be tons of them. We're actually driving by them and listing mine right now. And then you're going to have a lot of other, osprey, tons of different types of birds, turtles, ducks, you name it. I was down at the house the other day, and a mama duck with a bunch of little babies came walking right in front of the car. So super fun if you love wildlife as well. And then here we're just a few blocks away from 220 Locust. This is with the Wythe Crescent area, and there's a community park here, and there is also in Wythe a neighborhood pool that you can join as well. So it's not an HOA or anything, so you don't have to, but good park playground area, and you're going to see that everybody kind of keeps up with their yard, and they do a lot of events here, and it's just a really fun place to be. And in this location, you are, maybe 10 minutes to your Lowe's and Home Depot and Walmart, really everything that's on Mercury. And then you can also come right out of Wythe, and you can head straight to downtown Hampton, and you can be at bars and restaurants in just a couple of minutes. You're going to have great access to some of the most fun restaurants on the peninsula. Also, you're going to have access to beaches not too far away. So you're really, in a convenient location to get to Fort Monroe, go to the beach down there, head up to Buckroe Beach, be able to do all that and really enjoy your time here living in Wythe. So again, this is just one of my favorite neighborhoods. Love the charm, I love the style, the character, and whenever I'm in this neighborhood, whether it's for work or if I'm just strolling through the area, I always you get a special feeling when you're here, and I think everyone takes a lot of pride in the neighborhood, and living in Wythe is a really special thing. So, hope you like both the house and the neighborhood. If you have any questions, please reach out anytime. I am always here to help with anything I can with this gorgeous neighborhood. Thank you so much for coming to check out 220 Locust Ave. We are so proud of this property. We hope you absolutely love it. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below, or you can reach out anytime. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and then don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone you know who may be making a move to the Hampton area, and subscribe to this channel. My name is David Tortellini. I'm with eXp Realty. Thank you so much for watching.